Welcome to this tutorial on the check function in Kotlin. The check function is a powerful tool in the Kotlin Standard Library that helps you validate the state of your program. Throughout this video, you'll learn how to use check to write safer and more reliable code by asserting program state conditions. The check function is a standard library function that validates program state and throws an illegal state exception if the condition you provide is false. Its signature is simple. It takes a Boolean value as a parameter. When the Boolean evaluates to true, execution continues normally. When it evaluates to false, check throws an illegal state exception, immediately stopping execution and alerting you that your program is in an invalid state. Let's look at a basic example. Imagine you have a process order function that takes an order object. Before processing the order, you want to ensure it has been paid. You can use check with order.isPaid. If the order hasn't been paid, check throws an exception with the custom message, order must be paid before processing. This prevents your function from proceeding with invalid data. Only when the order is paid does execution continue to actually process the order. It's important to understand the difference between check and require. The check function validates internal state within functions, ensuring your program is in a valid state during execution. It throws an illegal state exception when conditions fail. The require function, on the other hand, validates input parameters at function entry, checking that the arguments passed to your function are valid. It throws an illegal argument exception when validation fails. Use require at the beginning of functions to validate inputs, and use check later in the function to validate state. Here's a practical example with a bank account class. The class has a private balance property and a withdraw method. Inside withdraw, you use check to ensure the balance is greater than or equal to the withdrawal amount. If someone tries to withdraw more money than available, check throws an exception with a descriptive message showing the current balance. This prevents the account from entering an invalid state with a negative balance. Only when sufficient funds exist does the withdrawal proceed, by subtracting the amount from the balance. The check function provides 4 key benefits. First, it enforces invariance during execution, ensuring your program state remains valid throughout its lifecycle. Second, it makes assumptions explicit in your code, documenting the conditions that must be true for your code to work correctly. Third, it fails fast when state is invalid, catching errors immediately rather than allowing corruption to spread. Finally, it provides clear error messages, making it easier to debug issues when they occur. By using check consistently, you write more robust and maintainable Kotlin code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.